What is up, guys? This is the All Life back again with another video. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas the other day, and I just wanted to give you guys an update on Digibyte and Verge, as they both have heavily corrected in the past day. I'm going to give you some price predictions, some technical analysis, and we'll see where these two coins could potentially go in 2018. So as you can see here, currently Digibyte is currently trading at around 6 cents on the CoinMarketCap website, down around 20% with a market cap of around 600 million and a current daily trading volume of $100 million. So that's Digibyte at the moment. As you can see here, have like huge run here in the past couple of days here, where Digibyte was 3x to 3 to 5x depending on where you got it earlier this week. And we'll dive deep into the technical analysis at the moment. So currently here we're looking at the day chart. As you can see here, the RSI level was very high the other day, around almost touched 90, and with that it had a huge sell-off for this really decent correction here, where the price dropped almost, let's check here. So the price dropped around 45% from the previous high of around 635 satoshis there. So right now Digibyte having this decent correction period right here on the daily. We'll take a look into the hour charts at the moment. So right here, as you can see, we have this really strong support level here, where they had this large buy order from a couple days ago. So currently the support level here is going to be at the 375 satoshis level. We'll take a look here. Let's bring this back to the 2-hour time frame. So right now, as you can see here, they had this trend going right here from a couple days ago. We'll change color there. Let's go. So as you can see here, holding this trend line. Let's see if it can stay above this support right here at around the 375 satoshi level there, and then possibly bounce off of that. We'll take, currently looking at the 2-hour time frame, stochastic, really low right now, so there's no momentum at the moment. Probably in the next day or two, this would be a really good day trading opportunity for Digibyte, as right now the RSI is becoming oversold, and the stochastic right here is becoming pretty low in momentum. So probably some people will try to take an opportunity to day trade this for a small bounce here in the near future. If that holds, we're going to see if this holds the support line here in the near future, hold this trend line in the near future, and then possibly play this small bounce here. So that's going to be one play for Digibyte here in the near future. Guys, keep an eye out on that, see if it holds this trend. If it does not, then this could enter into a bear trend for possibly a couple days or weeks for Digibyte going into the 2018 year. But that's one thing to look out for here. We're going to see if it holds the support level here at around the 375 satoshi range here. As you can see here, RSI is pretty low on the 2-hour time frame. Take a look at the hour time frame here. RSI is roughly the same there. Momentum is kind of slowly building up there. We'll see if this trend does bounce off this support line here at 375 and goes for a small run, possibly into the next resistance level here, the small one right here at around the 450 satoshi range there. So that's going to be your possible bounce play in the near future, just right around here. But we're going to see first if it holds that support level there at 375, and then we'll trade accordingly for Digibyte for these next couple of days. So that's going to be it for Digibyte, guys, and we'll get into Verge really quick. So here we have Verge. So right now Verge currently around 15 cents with a it's been down around 27% from yesterday. Current market cap around 2 billion and a current daily trading volume of around 700 million. Verge had this massive run here from the being tweeted about and talked about by John McAfee a couple days ago. So Verge is going to have a different technical analysis here, since its run has been really extreme at the moment here. So as you can see here on the day chart, we only had previous we only had all-time highs of around the 220 satoshi level, and this one just absolutely smashed through that, going up until the a high of around almost touched the 2000 satoshi mark there. So right now, let's see how big this correction was. This correction was roughly, let's go right here. So we had a correction to roughly around 55% at the moment. Most healthy corrections are going to be around 50%. So what we're going to be looking forward to in the future for Verge is if this can sustain this healthy correction and possibly bounce off a support level here. So right here we have this really strong support level right around, the 670 range for the this Verge chart here. Looks like it's forming kind of a tiny head and shoulders here. So right now, as you can see, small left shoulder, really tall head at the moment. So right here you get your head, then probably a small bounce here, but that's just a prediction for now. That's going to be assuming it holds the support level here at around the 690, 700 range for Verge. But for this to sustain a healthy trend, it's going to have to correct 50%, consolidate sideways over time, and then build momentum for the next run. But if this thing does break through the 50% correction, then most likely it's going to be a pump and dump for a short period, because usually when coins run that high, they have to correct around 50%, then trend and consolidate sideways for the trend to stay healthy in the upward direction for 2018. So that's something to look out for on Verge. That's gonna be the update there, as you can see here on the 2-hour time frame. Around the 30 RSI, it's probably gonna have to dip down into the 25s, 20s for oversold, which could possibly bring this price down here to the 750 range for Verge right here in the near future. Momentum's pretty low in the 2-hour chart, and we'll take a look at the hour. Same thing too here. RSI's trending sideways here. So right now the bulls and the bears are pretty even. Right now the direction isn't quite obvious at the moment. So stochastic pretty low, RSI trending sideways. We'll take a look at the day chart. So right now RSI is just pulling back into this region here around the 70 on the daily. So that's what I'm going to be looking out for in the near future. Currently kind of forming a very small head, shoulder, large head pattern with the possibility for this to go sideways. That's what you guys want to see in Verge, because you want this coin to do really well in 2018. You don't want it to correct more than 70%, then that's usually a pump and dump. So that's what you're going to be looking forward to in Verge. Just wanted to update you guys on those two coins for the next couple of days, and that's going to be it, guys, for my technical analysis. If you guys are new to the channel, like this video, comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.